Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover 5 mind-blowing space facts that will change your perspective on the universe. Prepare for your mind to be blown wide open as we explore the vastness of space and uncover its hidden wonders. From the unimaginable number of stars sprinkled across the cosmos to the bizarre reality of planets where a day is longer than a year, get ready to embark on a journey that will leave you in awe of the universe we call home. Let's get started. Have you ever walked along a beach at night, looked up at the sky and felt a sense of awe at the sheer number of stars? Now imagine gathering all the sand from every beach on Earth, every grain, from the finest particles to the largest pebbles. You'd have a truly immense pile, right? Now multiply that by a billion piles of sand, each one representing every grain on Earth. That's a big number. And yet that number is dwarfed by the number of stars in the observable universe. There are more stars out there than grains of sand on all the beaches of our planet. Each one of those stars is a sun, potentially with its own solar system, its own planets, its own story to tell. The sheer scale of it is almost impossible for our human minds to grasp. Our next stop takes us to Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a world of extremes, shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat like a furnace. But perhaps the strangest thing about Venus is the length of its day. Imagine a day so long that it outlasts a year. That's Venus. On this scorching world, it takes 243 Earth days for the planet to rotate once on its axis, a single Venusian day. But here's the kicker. It takes only 225 Earth days for Venus to complete one orbit around the Sun, a Venusian year. This means that on Venus, a day is longer than its year. Talk about a long day at the office. Let's play a game of imagination. Imagine taking a piece of paper, perhaps the one you used to jot down your grocery list. Now, fold it in half, and again, and again. Keep folding, doubling its thickness with each fold. How many folds do you think it would take to reach the moon? The answer might surprise you. Mathematically speaking, if you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would be thick enough to reach the moon. Of course, this is physically impossible. You'd run into problems with paper strength and the limits of physics long before you reach 42 folds. But it's a fun thought experiment that highlights the power of exponential growth. Our sun is a mighty star, the center of our solar system, the source of our light and life. But in the grand scheme of the cosmos, our sun is just a humble speck. There are stars out there that dwarf our sun in size, stars so large they boggle the mind. One such star is Scooty, a red hypergiant and one of the largest known stars in the universe. If we were to replace our sun with Scooty, our solar system would be a very different place. This colossal star is so massive that its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. That means Earth, along with Mars, Venus, and even Jupiter, would be consumed by this stellar giant. It's a stark reminder of the vast scales and unimaginable wonders that exist in the universe. And now for our final cosmic curiosity, a toast to the universe. Astronomers have discovered a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space. This isn't your average party trick. This cloud is 288 billion miles across, containing enough ethyl alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Before you start planning your intergalactic pub crawl, this alcohol isn't the kind you can drink. It's mostly methanol, a simpler form of alcohol, but it's still a fascinating discovery. The presence of complex organic molecules like this in space gives us clues about the building blocks of life and the chemical richness of the universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing space facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and we're here to guide you through them. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the cosmos. See you next time.